Makima is one of the strongest devil in the world of Chainsaw Man, but how much strong? Let's find out. So as a devil, she possesses all the supernatural abilities of a devil, but her manipulative personality makes her more dangerous. Her main ability is that she can control anyone. That's why she is also known as Control Devil. And one of her abilities is that she can crush people from long distances by using human sacrifices. And not just this, she can explode people by just pointing her finger on them. And she is way more intelligent than you think. And here's why. As she can control anyone, she made a contract with the Prime Minister of Japan so that when Makima takes damage or dies, the people she is controlling takes the damage instead, and she can basically revive and come back to life. But as long as she has enough bodies as a backup, and all of this combined makes her pretty strong.